If you are looking for the very best vegan banana cake, you have come to the right place. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. It is banana bread season. There's just banana bread everywhere, but this is a banana cake. And what makes it even better is it's vegan banana cake, which means there are no animal products in it. So let's get started. As always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here's everything you will need. All-purpose flour, black ripe bananas, vegan buttermilk, sugar, vegetable oil, brown sugar, a flax egg, baking soda, baking powder, sea salt, and cinnamon, and a little bit of vanilla. The way you make this buttermilk, you can just get your favorite kind of nut or oat milk. Any kind of vegan milk will work. And then add about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of white or apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. And that'll make your buttermilk. Stir it up and let it sit. And the way you make the flax egg is 1 tablespoon of flax meal and 3 tablespoons of hot water. If you don't have flax meal, you can trade this out for just another 1/4 cup of oil. You don't have to do the flax egg. So you're gonna start with some very ripe bananas. They don't have to be quite this ripe, but they can be, and the riper they are, the sweeter they are. So just remember that. Put all of your bananas in your mixing bowl and mix it up until they're kind of smushed, I would say. Just a couple seconds, about 30 seconds. If you want your banana cake to be super duper smooth with no banana chunks, you'll want to whip it a little more than that, but I kind of like the banana chunks. It just makes you realize there's lots of banana in there. Next, you're going to add both of your sugars, so your white sugar and your brown sugar, your oil, if you're using your flax egg, add that, and the buttermilk. Chunky. So go ahead and mix that up until it is thoroughly combined, about 30 seconds on medium-high speed. So now, before you add your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients, you want to combine those really well. So take your flour, your baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon, and then whisk those up really good. So now add all of this at once into there, your wet ingredients, and then mix it on low speed until it all comes together really well. Then you'll want to scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl and kick it up to about medium speed, just about 30 seconds to make sure everything is super well combined. Last but not least, you'll go ahead and add your vanilla extract. I never measure mine, but you want about a teaspoon-ish. And you want this to be pure vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste. Don't get the artificial stuff, it won't taste the same. You want pure. Now it's done. It's time to pour this into some prepared pans. I'm using 3 6-inch rounds. I've oiled and floured these with a parchment circle round in the bottom of each one. You can also do this in a 9x13 pan if you want a sheet cake. That works perfectly, but also you will want to oil, flour, and parchment paper that as well. So if you want to bake these as cupcakes, make sure you put cupcake liners in your pan. Don't just grease and flour the cupcake pan, because these aren't really muffins, so don't do that. Put liners in it. And if you're gonna bake these as cupcakes, you wanna bake them at 325, but as cakes, you wanna bake these at 350 degrees for approximately 35 to 45 minutes for the smaller cakes. But for a bigger cake, it's gonna take longer. What you're looking for is for a toothpick to insert into the center and come out completely clean. Then you know your cake's done. Okay, so our banana cakes are out of the oven. They are cooled completely, and I went ahead and leveled them off so they don't have any kind of a rounded hump. And I went ahead and made some vegan buttercream. I made some just plain with a little bit of maple. You can make it just vanilla if you like vanilla, or I have peanut butter because peanut butter and bananas are delicious. So I'm going to fill the center of my cake with some peanut butter buttercream. And there you go, my vegan banana cake. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, you might also really like this vegan strawberry cake we did a while back, right over here. Go check it out. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment below, share this with all your friends. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, hit that notifications bell, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.